Hello everyone, my name is Sachin. This is a video tutorial series on cloud computing. Cloud computing is not a new technology and it is being used for a few years now. Many organizations and businesses have already adopted cloud computing successfully. Various cloud computing applications are being used by you and me every day. In this video, we will start with the basics of cloud computing. Then we will learn various concepts related to cloud computing. We will also see different cloud features, cloud services, cloud deployment models, and applications. We will start with the definition of a cloud. What is meant by cloud computing? We will see the popular NIST model of cloud computing. We will find out which are the major popular applications of cloud computing. We will find out which are the major cloud service providers. Summary of the presentation. Important keywords related to cloud computing. Later we will see what we are going to cover in our next video. Let us see what is a cloud. Many people think that cloud is just a collection of technologies. This is partially true. Although there are some common technologies which make up a cloud environment, but these technologies alone are not sufficient. Cloud can be thought of as a service or a group of services. You will see more details in subsequent videos. Initially, the cloud was thought of as a bunch of combined services, technologies, and activities. What is happening inside the cloud was not known to the end users of the services. This has changed over time. What is cloud computing? In 2011, US National Institute of Standards and Technology defined cloud computing as a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources such as networks, servers, storage, applications, and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. So basically, a cloud computing is a model for enabling flexible network access to a pool of shared and configurable computing resources. NIST has defined multiple deployment models, service models, and key characteristics which are explained in the next slide. NIST model of cloud computing. This picture shows the model of cloud computing defined by NIST. There are three major components in this model: essential characteristics, service models, and deployment models. The essential characteristics are majorly the properties of cloud computing. There are 5 essential characteristics: broad network access, measured service, on-demand self-service, rapid elasticity, and resource pooling. Then we can see service models here. Service models means which type of services are provided using this cloud. So there are 3 service models as defined by this cloud model: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Then we can see that there are 4 deployment models of cloud: public, private, hybrid, as well as community. These deployment models can be thought of as different types of clouds. It is very important to understand this cloud computing model. In our next videos, we will study each and every building block in detail. These are some important features of cloud computing: pay as you go, cost efficient, resource pooling, large network access, on-demand self-service, simple maintenance, measured service, and fast scaling. There are many applications which use cloud computing. Applications like email, online storage, online antivirus, e-commerce, backup and recovery, are some of the very popular applications of cloud computing. Cloud service providers build cloud computing platforms and they provide various cloud-based services to consumers. There are many cloud service providers like Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, VMware, IBM Cloud, and Salesforce. These cloud service providers provide different types of services on their cloud platforms. Let us summarize now. Cloud is a group of services. NIST has defined a cloud computing model which specifies 5 different key cloud characteristics, 3 cloud service models, and 4 cloud deployment models. With cloud computing, end users can consume everything as services instead of building and controlling infrastructure or software application on their own. There are many popular applications such as email and online storage which are currently being used. There are various internet majors such as Google, Microsoft, and Amazon which are providing various cloud-based applications and solutions. Here are some important keywords to remember like cloud, NIST, SaaS, that is software as a service, PaaS as platform as a service, IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, service models, deployment models, CSP, that is cloud service provider. In this video, we discussed basics of cloud and cloud computing. In next few videos, we will see different building blocks of NIST's cloud computing model. We will start with cloud characteristics as defined by NIST. There are 5 key cloud characteristics such as on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and major service.